Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 2 to 8, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aries, what's coming to you ngayong week na to, September 2 to 8. Okay. Healing. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo na um, nagkaroon na ng challenges sa inyong health, kalusugan ninyo. So, you are physically healing. Some of you naman, healing from your past trauma, healing your inner child. Ayan. So, mas nagkakaroon ng balance sa inyong life ngayon. You are trying to live healthier or meron kang healthier lifestyle ngayon. Kasi 'di ba, yung mga medical professionals, no, yung mga doctors, ito yung symbol nila eh. May sword and then may snake or serpent. So because serpent or snake, they symbolizes healing. Kasi 'di ba nagpapalit-balat sila. So it's like they transform themselves. They heal themselves. Ayan. So for some of you, there is healing from anything na nagbigay sa inyo ng painful experience. You also have Fox, which is shape-shifting, changes. Okay. You have to be careful rin sa mga taong makakasalamuhan nyo or makakadeal ninyo this week. Kasi pwedeng merong nagbabago ng kanilang parang merong iba silang pinapakita sa inyo pero hindi talaga yun yung totoong sila. Okay, so pay attention to those people. However, on the good side naman, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na mag-adapt sa change na nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Oo. Kumbaga, flexible kayo. You also have monkey humor. Okay, some of you may mga bagay na magpapasaya sa inyo, pwedeng tao sa buhay niyo na very jolly, very ang tawag doon, comedic, no? May pagka-komedyante. Iba naman sa inyo, this is just about how you see life. Kumbaga, hindi mo siya ganun kasi seryosohin. Not in a bad way. So, ibig sabihin lang noon, may challenge man, hindi mo siya tipong, you're not going to be too hard on yourself na minsan mas makakita ka ng something na pwedeng parang itatawa mo na lang. Oo, instead na ma-stress ka or maguluhan ka or mainis ka. What is healing? Oh, yung iba sa inyo, you're healing your relationship. Yes, you're healing your relationship. I feel like marami ka na experience in the past na nakapagbigay sa inyo ng wisdom, no? Kasi ang Jupiter is also wisdom, expansion of knowledge. And you have Leo here. I feel like mas naging confident ka or mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo because of this healing process na finally naka-move on ka na from your past relationship or past connection. Pag sinabi naman natin relationship, hindi lang yan romantic, pwede rin yan sa family, sa friends, or someone who is connected to you. So, shape-shift, what is this? 12th house, oo. Meron iba sa inyo, meron kayong hidden enemies. Okay? Aries, maaring ito ay parang pinagmamasdan ka kung paano ka kumilos or let's say pwedeng sa trabaho, paano ka magtrabaho. So you have to be careful in dealing with these people. You have to protect your energies. Maraming ways naman to protect your energies. I-research na lang yan. And also be careful rin sa mga mabubulaklak na salita na ma-receive mo. Kasi pwedeng yon ay paraan lang nila para makumbinsi ka nila. Okay? And then, sa career, no? I think, pagdating sa career, you will be inspired. Pwedeng merong tao dyan sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo na nagpapasaya sa'yo, or may challenge man, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong malusutan. So parang itinatawa mo lang na lang kesa magpaka-stress ka pa. But I think this is something very positive for you kasi 4-4 is about stability. And whether this is sa career mo, sa relationship, pwedeng mostly sa career, no? Kasi 10th house to. There is stability in your career, in your finances na magiging reason kung bakit parang you will take things lightly or parang para sa'yo magaan lang yung trabaho o yung ginagawa mo kahit para sa iba mahirap. Okay? So, let's see your overall energy. Ano yung overall energy ng Aries? The Ten of Swords. Ooh, okay. So, meron ditong release or ending of stressful situation. So, maaring ito, part ng healing process mo is to finally let go what is no longer serving your highest good, what is no longer making you feel at peace. So, mas gusto mo ngayon na tahimik ang iyong life. Oo. Let's see your challenge. Your challenge, Elder of Pentacles. So, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenge sa person in authority, no? Pwedeng someone na like your boss or someone na meron kang connection in terms of your career or business na pwedeng merong hindi pinagkakaunawaan pagdating sa pera. Or pwede ring yung sa position sa trabaho. Maaring meron kang gustong makuhang certain position in your career, in your business, or in your job na you feel like parang ang hirap ibigay sa'yo. Or if you are already in a position, yung tipong boss ka na, maaring magkaroon ka ng challenge sa mga taong minamanage mo. Your opportunity, the Seven of Pentacles, as an opportunity, this is waiting for fruition. Kung meron kang patience, no? Patience. Willing ka na maghintay. As long as you are working on yourself, no? Inaayos mo yung sarili mo, inaayos mo rin yung trabaho mo, merong magandang resulta to. Okay? You just keep taking care of whatever you have already built, no? Alagaan mo lang kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo, yung mga itinatayo mo, di ba? Your blessing, Champion of Swords. As a blessing, I think pagdating sa communication, mabilis mong maipapahiwatig yung gusto mong sabihin, or parang you will keep or make yourself clear, no? Yung tipong madali kang maiintindihan ng ibang tao. Kumbaga, napaka-importante nun na naiintindihan ka ng iba. Kasi kapag meron kang instruction, alam agad nila kung ano yung gagawin. Unlike kung mahirap maintindihan yung instruction mo, pwedeng mali yung una nilang magawa versus dun sa ina-expect mo sa kanila. Okay? And I also see this as, merong makikipag-ayos sa'yo. Pwedeng part yan ng healing process. No? Kung someone na nakapagsalita sa'yo ng hindi maganda before, pwedeng magre-reach out yan sa'yo at sasabihin na na-realize na niya yung kanyang pagkakamali or yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Sa money, career, finances, Apprentice of Wands. So this is self-discovery in your career. Pwede rin merong adventure na papasukin ikaw sa trabaho, business. Pay attention lang talaga dun sa mga kadil mo. Hindi porket napaka-exciting sa pandinig mo, this is going to be successful na. Siyempre, do your due diligence. Kumbaga, ikaw meron ka ring responsibility na mag-research, alamin yung mga bagay na pinapasok mo. So, sa love life, we have the Sun. So, whether you are in a relationship or not, I feel like you are confident, no? Confident ka sa relationship mo, confident ka na single ka, there's happiness, you know how to take care of yourself. Kumbaga, meron kang certain radiance, no? Kung ikaw ay single, merong mga na-attract sa'yo. Ewan ko lang kung na-attract ka rin sa kanila. Di ba? Wow, koi carp abundance. Yes. Move with the flow of abundance around you and through you. So definitely there is abundance around you, Aries. You just need to tap into that and focus on the positive things, no? Yung mga magagandang bagay na uh, pwede mong maisip kasi yun yung mamamanifest mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.